Take a cardboard sheet and trace your magnet on it. Now trace it on the both sides because we want to make the both sides of our ice cream stick. Now outline the drawing of ice cream on the both sides. I am doing on one side to show you. Cut them out. Remember, both should be of same size. Now we will paste our magnet. I am using glue, but you can use double-sided tape too. It will look something like this. Whichever ice cream you like, you can make it. I love orange bars, so I took an orange strap for the side. Mark the width and leave some extra space on both sides to paste it. For the stick, cut out a small piece of ice cream stick and paste it on the bottom. Now we will start pasting the side of ice cream. Take the strip, bend the extra space with the ruler. Do the same process on the other side too. Start pasting it. It will bend over to the other side. Make the front of the ice cream of the same size as of cardboard and paste it. For the top, let's make a cloud shape and give it a face. We need two shapes, so bend the paper over like this and cut it out. We have two shapes now and paste each of the shape on each side. Let's give it a face. I'm just going to draw the basics, but you can draw any face. Your fridge magnet is ready. Share and subscribe my channel for latest DIYs.